Hi, I'm Sydney here. So this is the Singapore Primary 5 questions. So let's see what is the steps that is suitable for the Primary 5 students. So Mrs. Boy received a monthly household allowance of $1,720 from her husband, and she used part of the allowance for groceries. And from there, she used 3/7 of the remaining amount to pay the monthly utility bills. So we have a total amount of 1,720. So divide into the groceries and then the remaining part. Okay, and the remaining part out of it, we have 3/7 is for the utilities bill. Okay, and then of course 4 out of 7 will be going into the savings. So let's use the block model to solve this. Let's just draw the block. So we get the block, okay, to represent the amount of allowance received. And then let's divide the block into 2 portions. Okay, one portion is for the groceries. Another portion we have to divide into 7 parts. So let's just divide that into 7 parts first. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Therefore, the remaining will be for the groceries. All right, now, out of the 7 parts, 3/7 is for utilities. So 3 parts out of the 7 parts, let's label it, that is for the utilities bill. And then the 4 out of 7 parts is for the savings. And then it says that 1/3 of the amount saved, that means from the saving, we just need to take 1/3. But for the savings, we have 4 units. How am I going to take 1/3 out of these 4 units? Very simple. We shall just divide each little unit into 3 parts. So let's just draw it. Draw the 3 parts. Okay. Draw the 3 parts. And then from there, we will have 12 units here, isn't it? Because 3 times 4, 12 units here. So we just need to take 1/3, or you can just shade one of each unit, one part in each unit. So altogether, we will be shading 4 parts. Therefore, it will be like this. So this will be the 4 parts. Now let's take that 4 parts out. Okay, let's just take that part out. So 4 parts. Okay, maybe you just draw a little bit bigger. It's fine, as long as we show that this is 4 parts. Okay, the 4 parts of the saved 1/3 of the savings, which is 4 parts, it is $16 less than 1/5 of the amount spent on groceries, which means the groceries, let's just divide that into 5 parts. Okay, so we will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this will be the 5 parts. Okay, divide this part into 5 equal size. And let's take this portion. Now, it's not in proportion, yeah, but I just want to show that the savings, 1/3 of the saving, which is 4 units here, is still less than the 1/5 of the amount spent on the groceries. So I shall just take the, just draw with the green one, okay, to show that this one is actually representing the grocery. Okay, this is 1/5 of the grocery. And then this 1/5 of the grocery, the extra part, okay, will be 16, isn't it? This one, this is the groceries. This is 1/5 of the groceries, and this is 1/3 of the savings. Okay, let's compare it. Savings is $16 less than the groceries, which means in the grocery, the remaining part of the grocery, we can find 4 equal units, just like our savings. That means for each green blocks, we will have 1, 2, 3, 4 units. So 4 units plus a $16 as compared to our savings. And each saving here is 1 unit. Okay, each saving here is 1 unit, 1 U. All right, so we will have 4U plus 16 for each green block. Okay, and then since the black block here is the same size as each black block in the savings, therefore it can also be divided into 3 red blocks in each big block. Therefore, all in all, we can count. Over here we have 1, 2, 3, so 7 parts, right? 7 parts. For this part, there are 7 times 3 units. Okay, and then add together with this. So how many units of red block in each green blocks? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 green blocks, each one contain 4 units of red blocks. So we have 20 units plus 16. There are 5 times of 16. The extra parts of 16 here. So it repeated for 5 times. So 16 times 5, 80. So all in all, okay, 21 units. All in all, our solution will be 21 unit plus 20 unit plus $80 equivalent to the total length, okay, the total block, which representing the total allowance, which is 1,720. So 1,720. So 21 unit plus 20 units, we have 41 units. And then we shall minus 80 on both sides. We will get 1,640. Therefore, each unit is 1,640 divided by 41 units. All right, so this one, each unit representing $40. And therefore, to answer the question, how much did Mrs. Boy spend on groceries? So the groceries is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 green units. 5 green units. And for each green units, it is actually 20 small units, U plus 80. Therefore, groceries equals to 20U, which is 40 plus 80. 800 plus 80. So the total amount spent on groceries will be $880. Okay, that's it for the solution. Now let's just show the overview of this part. Okay, so this will be the working that is suitable to be explained to the students in primary 5.